Hello, everybody, welcome back to Gyanan. This is the series of 100 Things Every Designer Needs to Know About People audiobook. How People Think. Chapter 39 Culture Affects How People Think. Take a look at figure 39.1. What do you notice? The cows or the background? Picture used in Hannah Chua 2005 research. The way you answer might depend on where you grew up. The West, US, UK, Europe, or East Asia. In his book, The Geography of Thought, Richard Nisbet discusses that research that shows how we think is influenced by and shaped by culture. East relationships, West individualistic. If you show people from West a picture, they focus on main or dominant foreground object, while people from East Asia pay more attention to context and background. East Asian people who grew up in the West show the Western pattern, not the Asian pattern, thereby implying that it's culture, not genetics, that accounts for differences. The theory is that East Asia cultural norms emphasize relationships and groups. East Asians, therefore, grew up learning to pay more attention to context. Western society is more individualistic. So, Westerners grew up learning to pay attention to focal objects. Hannah Chua et al. 2005 and Lu Zihui 2008 both used the pictures in figure 39.1 and eye tracking to measure eye movement. They both showed that the East Asian participants spent more time with central vision on the background and Western participants spent more time with the central vision on the foreground. Cultural differences show up in brain scans. Sharon Begley recently wrote an article in Newsweek on neuroscience research that also confirms the cultural effects. When shown complex, busy scenes, the Asian Americans and Northeast Americans recruited different brain regions. The Asians showed more activity in areas that process figure-ground relation, holistic context, while the Americans showed more activity in regions that recognize objects. Concerns about generalizing research. If Western and Eastern people think differently, then do we have to wonder how much we can generalize psychology or other research results from one group to another? It's been common practice to use research subjects from only one geographical region. Now you have to wonder about the accuracy of some of this research. Does it describe only the people in that area? Fortunately, there is more and more research coming out of various parts of the world, and more individual studies being conducted in multiple locations. Psychological research now is less focused on one region or a group as it has been in the past. Key takeaways. People from different geographical regions and cultures respond differently to photos and website designs. In East Asia, people notice and remember the background and context more than people in the West do. If you're designing products for multiple cultures and geographical regions, then you had better conduct audience research in multiple locations. When reading psychological research, you might want to avoid generalizing the results. If you know that the study participants were all from one geographical region, be careful of overgeneralizing. To be continued. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe.